pass and move. Patino shikatino chinjari me groove. Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shedera muduze. Pass and move.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Tape 3 TV. This is a pass and move special. Today we're right here at Papa Phil Stadium. It's Bulawayo Chiefs taking on Scotland Football Club. You know, the program is proudly brought to you by Lucky Pets, our #1 sponsor. Plaza wangu ndevi?
Bo, Baba Madi.
Nene bo. Game ranasi Chiefs ne Scotland. Uruona zi.
Baba ndi baba. Bora rinyepe. Ratri takwesha manga Scotland bora. Inofa, ikasafa inofa cheti. Inofira imomo mPF imomo. Shikanetsa tovarovera imomo mugomba. Ndo maanofira imomo.
So ndipe scoreline.
Takarambidza kupredicta kuti timu kwedu but kungozvambura chete. Orchestra vazvamburi.
So makarambidza ma predictions. Mongozvambura chete.
Ngorova chete. Ana Black Chiefs ninga predictei. These are small guys. Very very good on social media and social platforms. Zvebhora vaita vadiki.
Alright. Ngasangana after bhora tolo chafa.
Bhora pressure ngatinakirwei. Let football unite us. Say no to drugs, violence, hooliganism. Ngatinakirwei nebhora.
Kawan. Bo. Sister Debbie.
Magadiso.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yeah, ndiso.
Ndazwa kuti ndimi president. Ndo president wechiwema supporter?
Yeah, supporters president.
Bora ranasi Bulawayo Chiefs versus Scotland. Urikuona sei?
It's an obvious case kuti Scotland will win. Zvagara zviri pachena asingarohwe nekatimu kavhotiwa nika. Aiwa kuna zvakadaro. Vatoya kuti vadzidzisi.
Madzidzisa bhora.
Tinovadzidzisa bhora.
Ndipe scoreline.
3-1.
3-1 ndiana goals.
Kama Billiard, Captain Sona. Okay, Kama Billiard 2, Captain 1.
Alright, ngasangana after bora tona tava.
Okay, it's okay, thank you.
Thank you, Prezo.
Thank you so much.
Chairman muraji.
Ngiyaphila.
Ukambeja lusu ya raro ubuya kobra.
Sikabe muhle phela. Siyabonga ukuthi sifike ikhobulawayo.
Liqinile.
Yeah, liqinile.
Game ranasi Bulawayo Chiefs versus Scotland uruona sei?
Game ranasi igame rakaphenga because vakomana vanenzara yewini. Sakapa it's an obvious case. Andimaona mawandira akata masupporter.
Amakawanda.
Tikutarisira kuti tiende newini.
Ndipe scoreline.
Scoreline ndinganyepa but pachagowa dzakawanda. Zakawandisa.
Asangana after bora tona tava. Sisters. Now ucho wacha amabhasi lawana ehayireja lelo kuze asobabhasi ebhora. Sebajija amabhasi sebabe ebhora.
Sanibonani bahlali bezulu bokubulawayo. Congratulations to Highlanders lokunika ibhasi elihle. But ngasikhuluma into zamabhasi sikhuluma amabhasi eScotland yawa. Libona ibhasi leScotland lama supporters ukuthi linjani. Ngasikhuluma into zamabhasi siyabe sikhuluma amabhasi azwayo. Nothi lawa ama AV mani ku Highlanders le Dynamos eNyaradzo Funeral Police. Right.
Unoqalo wazi unoqalo asingene gebila namuhla. Bona Chiefs versus Scotland ubona njani?
Right now we are now saying Bulawayo Chiefs versus versus Scotland FC. We are saying 3-0 in Mapesa. We believe we are going to win 3-0. Right now all supporters of Scotland are now in Bulawayo and we are going to have fun. We say no to drugs. So ngasibuye neBF sizobona ibhora itikitaka edlalwa nguMapesa and in Mapesa we believe ukuthi Scotland this year yathatha inkezo. I believe 3-0 today iScotland iyawina.
Asibona after Bora Sport 3-0 yakhe yaphuma yini.
Thank you so much bhuti wami. 3-0 yabe iphuma ube umbele lapha phandle kweground. I3-0 ziyabe sesiphumile.
Nice one my brother.
Thank you so much. Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Uqinisile yini ubhuje sithi ngamahashi?
Ngubaby dad wami.
Hayi siyabonga sure. Igame namuhla Bulawayo Chiefs versus Scotland ibona njani? Yabona usuku Scotland.
Mina ngweScotland, thina ngithi Maviravira all the way.
Ngesikoleni
2-0.
bani hlahla
Ngubilly athi Lomsoni.
nice one thanks my sister. Moms Ndebi
Jili sai mwanangu.
welcome to Tape 3 TV moms.
Yes, bajena mwanangu.
Bulawayo Chiefs versus Scotland uriwana se game runners.
Nasi takatopenga, nasi takatowina waizwa mwanangu. Bajena, points edu takatwena nogo Harare waiziba. 3-1.
Ndiana goals.
Scotland yakatowina mwanangu.
Ndiana goals mama.
Bajena Scotland takawina.
Ndiana goals.
Bamasite baba ndenga ndatikanganwe asi takatowina waiziwa.
Mauna 3-1.
Bajena.
Nice one mama.
Takatwena nema points. Bajena.
Bachera.
Waidi. Babo. Bajena.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Welcome.
Bulawayo Chiefs 0 Scotland 0. I want to say game.
This game was so tough, but I think Scotland, we need to improve some of our skills because Scotland have got good players. Tinema players akanaka kuti tinotarisa kuti zvinhu zvedu hatitarisire ngekuti tichidrawisa nematimu akaita sana Bulawayo Chiefs.
But otherwise, are you happy overall?
As a Scotland supporter, I'm not happy about the results. Munongoziva sezvatinenge takatarisira all the way from Harare kuuya kuzotarisira kuti zvanzi zvimwe zvinge zvichifamba zvaka. I'm not even happy about the results.
Okay, mkoma wangu. Otherwise, good luck next game.
Okay, thank you very much.
Next one, my brother. I'm Nandi. Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Hayi siyabonga baba.
Bulawayo Chiefs 0 Scotland 0. Ibona njani game?
Ibhora 100% good. Siyabonga ngeresults. 1-2 ezakanyika dzino hand amela alungisisa. But i-team ismart kakhulu.
I-Chiefs
ismart ka 100% good. 1 or 2 ku-right kakhulu.
But otherwise, game yona overall ibona njani?
Hayi game ibe right. Lala laphana njengama-supporters thina siyasola but ibhora libe limnandi. Ureferee singamsola lala lapha but u-right kakhulu.
Uvumelana naye Butters?
Mdara inini mavona ndati bhora rasinganakidzi mdara. Bhora to mabhora anadhimba randotinakidza nana bosa. Scotland hapana bhora rairi kutamba mdara ndochokwadi atiudzane pachena mdara. Hapana bhora rachitambiwa. Haisi samadhimbare datachifamba neChiefs semadhimbare. But bhora rasinganakidzi mdara. Bhora dhimbare.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV. Bulawayo Chiefs 0 Scotland 0. I want to say game.
Game yanga iri bhora. Asi kuti tingati pakashata yanga iri 50-50 inoratidza kuti game ranga rakavorongegwamwa. Bulawayo Chiefs semutimu haingorohwo zvokumhanya. Scotland tinoziva kuti champion iyo yavo yaine confidence yekuti inokwanisa kuwina but zvaitika zvisirizvo. According to plan hazvisizvo zvazvo zvafamba but the game was very nice.
Nice one mdara wangu.
Thanks very much.
Nice one mdara.
iScotland team enkulu hani but mina ngoHighlanders ibhora but sathabe ukuthi idraw.
Uvumelana naye Butters?
Ngiyavumelana naye but yabona ukuthi nafana beChiefs badlalile iwini kuChiefs le umapeza iproblem yakhe uyasabhura engaboni ukuthi usabhura ubani just because i-team enkulu anti but akasela ngamaqegu lawana. Kasela bafana bachisayo. Mana sikubone ngeWednesday ngeDynamos yamenza nerufaro ngani. Hayi samchaya. Iloko 3 draws, 2 draws.
Wona ngeDynamos.
Mina ngeDynamos.
Revenge 5-0 la.
Siya revenge 5-0. Sabe sesiphezulu kwazo zonke. Man obone, mark my words.
Nice one my brother.
Siyabonga. Cheers, how are you? Good day my man.
Nice one my brother. What's up?
Cheers ilawo le camera sisongani. Zwana manje singabe bossani. But boso ayihambe uDivision 7 ani sifuthatha iBulawayo Chiefs sifake eground ani ibe ibhoswana siyacela ngoba iBulawayo Chiefs izamile anti laphana siyacela ukwenzela ukuthi ibhoso la izama ukukhula njengeFed Cook anti ayisikho yini mthana.
Ngumbono wakho uvunyelwe.
Umbono wami vele uvunyelwe ngoba vele iBulawayo Chiefs ibe ibhoso phezulu kwabafana anti. Hayi bayekeleni laba nomsona sebengabogogo labana sisabafuna anti and siyabonga kusasa yini anti.
Nice one, my brother. Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
All right, but yabona umdlalo wanamhlanje ani. Ngibone something. Yabona iBulawayo Chiefs. Angabe bikwanza ukupitalize ama chances aba create. Ngabe sikhuluma a different story. IScotland ngombono wama feels like it's an overrated team. They might have dominated phambili but aba create ama meaningful chances. Ayenze akuthini akhoze ihafu ku defense ye Chiefs lapha. Yabo. So going forward, I think iBulawayo Chiefs le chance to build on from this game besiya phambili. Yangithola. Thina singabe boss. Slash iBulawayo Chiefs not chicken in. Kodwa kusasa siyawina.
Nice one, my brother. Thanks. Siyabonela much.
Ushap.
Ngishapha ibona njani game?
Game ibimnandi nje yonke into everything was normal. Yeah, sikholisile sienjoyile lathi nje ama supporters eScotland it was very mwa. Yeah.
Nice one, mana ngizi Chiefs. Buya Mthara. Mthara, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Welcome, sir.
Ibona njani game? IBulawayo Chiefs 0 Scotland 0.
We tried our best, but we failed to utilize our chances. We should have won this game. But at least we are working on a positive way. Everything is on shape now. Though I still wish we should have maybe won this game, but we failed to win.
Ma chance amakhuthu.
Uyazisikhuta amakhekhe. Atomele siwine ku. But kuyavuma at least nxa sibamba iScotland ku right ama champions.
Nice one, Mthara. My brother.
Mina nguTK iBulawayo chapter supporter Dynamos. Namhla kade support iBulawayo Chiefs. Chiefs idlalile shema. Chiefs amaninja. Urefu ubhayizile uncince kade ubambela abantwana. Chiefs engayingofana ngozwini.
But overall game arona se.
Game rachina kitsa. Chiefs engachitamba borders. 1-2 ndatoshamsika kuti ndandimbofuna kuti pamwe Chiefs yacho nando Scotland. Sezo Scotland yakatenga kama player cream but 1-2 tachiona ku Chiefs.
IBulawayo Chiefs 0 Scotland waiona se game.
Bhora rakanaka singaite but isusu tanchiti eze Scotland asikuzodzoka kumashure attacking third yedu at first half yatanga yakati itsvei zvaya atikuti bhora ranga rakanyanya kuoma sereka ayo yanga yakati itsvei saka tazononoka kupika in second half but azoda kutsvaka go bhora ratinetse kuwana but well done wakomana next time we improve togadzirisa ipapo. Thank you.
Nice one, my brother. Bobo. Libone njani game change Scotland 0 le Bulawayo Chiefs 0.
iBulawayo Chiefs lapana silekhile lapana mdala lapana because iScotland vela kula game lapha. Bekumele sibile ukuthi sibulala ama chances awadlalisileyo amaningi but I hope next time I hope next time siya improve. Next time I hope siya improve asibile.
Uvumelana nayo Broko?
Kakhulu mfowethu as one of umlandeli wamaninja just nje kwinto okuncane kumele sekulungisise nje.
Ushoda ngapho obonile ufuna ukulungisisa.
I think ngokubona kwami phambili kwengabe sile problem khona but emuva for defense maninja swi one love kuma ninja just nje phambili ukuthi masingayilungisisa iproblem yankona masilandela next time igame ngeyethu.
I'm very happy ngeChiefs.
I'm very happy for the performance yanamuhla. One love maninja mabe ngenza so I'm very happy.
Nice one Machida. Nice one my brother.
Vele singavele kuphela silungise phambili ku striker laphana. Si right vele si right kakhulu. Si right kakhulu mtata.
Nice one. Nice one Machida.
Sanibonani batha. Right, ibhora emhlabeni le 3 results. I-draw, i-win, le lose. So iBulawayo Chiefs iwinile ku game le. But simelele halari. Congratulations to Norman Mapeza uthethe 1 point. It's enough for us to travel big eHarare selungisa lapha esipambani sekhona. Hayi iChiefs idlalile. Congratulations to Chiefs but to win next time in Harare.
Nice one my brother. Uvumelana naye brothers?
Amvumelana naye. Hayi siyawina.
Isilile iScotland.
Hayi silanga i-draw. Ibhora iScot isilile. Thina njengabe boss besizo support iChiefs ababuye.
Ubone ngofana lapho lapha.
Hayi ilo kana isfail. iScotland isfail. Dimbare kana Wednesday win straight.
Chamovera. Welcome to Tape 3 TV wangu.
Yes, I'm going to
Bobo. IBulawayo Chiefs 0 Scotland 0. I want to say game.
You know, in football, when you support football, don't be too emotional. because football has got 3 results: win, draw, and a lose. So for Scotland, we are the defending champions. We are very happy to travel something like 439 kilometers and passing about 5 targets to come here in Blue Wave and take a point. We are going to see when approaching week 30, week 32, 33, 34, that this point is a very vital point. Yes, sir.
And that's why Jim Overa. But otherwise, going forward, team is going to say.
You know, it's a team full of superstars. As for me, Chemovela, I'm not more concerned about this local league. I'm more concerned about the CAF Champions that is going to commence in August. Because we've got the CAF Champions badge, and that's why we are planning for Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando, Al-Ahly, Esperance. That's why I'm not this Flower Chiefs. It's a small boys game for us.
That's what Chemovela.
How is it?
Mzulu Chemovela.
Yeah, ngimzulu Chemovela. But okokuqala ngizamtshela ukuthi he is my junior. I'm the super fan of 2025. Yena is my junior. Kodwa bangaka beScott, but ngibona emqandweni ngale hayi mangcono sichiye singathathi kuScott ngoba kuzasiyangisa lokho ngale eUK. Anje siya ku for tournament liyana eUK. So hayi ngicela sime mpijana kuScott lapha.
Thank you so much for watching. It has been another exciting episode of Pass and Move special right here at Papa Field Stadium. It finished the Bulawayo Chiefs 0, Scotland Football Club 0. This episode was proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our #1 sponsor. Please remember to like and subscribe on the channel and also engage us in the comment section. Thank you so much for continuing to support and watching the channel. Thank you so much.
Pass and move, pass and move.